It's been a while since I last uploaded a video about street photography, and I'm stuck about months, I think. Then I started thinking maybe it's time for me to try something new. A new camera, Sony A6400. After seeing some videos on YouTube, I think the Sony A6400 suits my needs, my budget, especially in the videography of my content in this channel. For photography, I don't think that the Sony A6400 gonna change my style. So I'm now precisely at area Waterfall. The waterfall is still up there. I'm gonna shooting here around the rocks and water here. Maybe I think it's gonna be cool.
How interesting this place is. The tree-lined walkways make this a great choice for a short escape from the hustle and bustle of the city. I'm still at the creek or the foot of the waterfall, or whatever you call it. You can already hear the water flow from here. I didn't take a lot of photos this time. I wanted to give you the experience of what I feel here directly and show you the Sony A6400's capabilities in videography, especially for YouTube content like this. Luckily, I'm here at the right time, in the rainy season. It rained last night. If you come here when it doesn't rain for at least 2 days, you won't have this much water running. Yeah, this is the perfect timing. And that's it for today's episode. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to support me by liking, subscribing, and sharing with your friends. If you want the Lightroom preset that I used in this episode, check the link below and see you in the next one. Peace out.